All right, this is gonna be a short video. Doesn't need to be long, so I'm not gonna make it long. I have a Translogic Blip Assist setup, and it uses the stock Quickshifter plug. So it's this one right here. It's a 17R6. I put it on. The first time I took it out, it lasted for a session and a half, and then I lost the Quickshifter. The Blip worked all weekend. Quickshifter came back one time. Came back home, I ripped the bike apart, went through the whole install, couldn't find anything wrong with it, started looking at the wiring on the bike, looking at the wiring going into the ECU, calling everybody's getting together trying to figure it out. I talked to Translogic today, and when I got home I checked the one thing he told me to check, and it was it, and it literally doesn't even take a tool to fix. So the problem was the clutch switch right here. When the plunger comes out, it got jammed. You can see how it's still at an angle. It got jammed underneath it, so when the lever went in, when you released the lever, it wasn't hitting it. And basically the way that it's set up, once the clutch is pulled in, it disables the Quickshifter. So when that plunger's not hitting the lever, then it thinks that the clutch is pulled in at all times and you have no Quickshifter. So I literally just popped that back up, pop the cover on the bottom, and it works perfect. So hope this helps a lot of people, because I know a lot of people are having issues with this stuff. But yeah, just wanted to share my knowledge. Thanks.